Good morning to everyone. I am Sundar. I am pursuing M.C.A. My topic is designing an efficient and secure data sharing scheme for groups in the cloud. In my abstract, it explains about the character of low maintenance cloud computing provides an economical and efficient solution for sharing group resources among cloud users. Unfortunately, sharing data in a multi-owner manner while preserving data and identity privacy from an untrusted cloud is still a challenging issue due to the frequent change of membership and proposing a secure multi-owner data sharing scheme named MONA for dynamic groups in the cloud. By leveraging group signature and dynamic broadcast encryption techniques, any cloud user can anonymously share data with others. Meanwhile, the storage overhead and encryption computation costs are independent with the number of rework users. My existing system explain about the cloud servers managed by cloud providers are not fully trusted by the users. To preserve the data privacy, a basic solution is to encrypt the data file first and then upload the encrypted data in the cloud. Unfortunately, designing an efficient and secure data sharing scheme for groups in the cloud is not an easy task. Data owners store the encrypted data files in untrusted storage and distribute the corresponding decryption keys only to authorized users. Thus, unauthorized users as well as storage servers cannot learn the content of the data file because they have no knowledge of the decryption keys. Here the problem definition explains about the identity privacy is one of the most significant obstacles for the wide deployment of the cloud computing. Without the guarantee of identity privacy, users may be unwilling to join in the cloud computing system. Another problem is the group manager is the only person to store and modify the data in the cloud. To changes the membership makes secure data and sharing extremely difficult. The issue of user evacuation is not addressed. In my proposed system, it is explained about the proposed secure multi-owner data sharing scheme. It implies that any user in the group can share data with the others by the untrusted cloud. Here we use the DSA algorithm in existing system. To overcome it, we are using the blowfish algorithm. The size and computation overhead of encryption and constant and independent with the number of unique registers in this algorithm. It is used for encrypting and decrypting the data. The advantages of my proposed system are any user in the group can store then share the data file. The size will be decreased and user evacuation can be achieved without updating the private keys. The modules included my indie project are group owner, group member, cloud server, blowfish encryption and decryption, signature generation and verification, decoy generation. Group owner is explained above the admin. Here the admin has the logs of each and every process in the cloud. Group members are the users. They are deals with the authentication of the every group member. Here the users are associated with creating new user ID and password because allocating the space in the cloud with the new user ID and accepted. Cloud server. In the cloud server, we are going to store. Here, the C cloud service provider only provided data storage service has been taken and launched. For here, we can upload and download the data in Blowfish encryption and decryption. It intends an alternative to aging the DES algorithm and free of problems and constraints associated with the algorithm. At the time of Blowfish release, the design were proprietary and combined by the patients are being government secret. Decoy generation. Decoy generation means if you give the original signature and key folder means original file will be open. Otherwise the duplicate file will be open. Signature generation and verification. The decoy the generation technology verify it is an authenticated user or not. If it is the authenticated person, the original file will be open and duplicate means the duplicate file will be open. It is the architecture diagram. Here the only three main parts, three people will act as a main parts. One is the group member, another is group owner, and the another is cloud service. First group member giving the request to the group owner. After that, he allocate the space for the user. Here the group owner will be upload and download data. To upload and download, we using the blowfish algorithm and DSA algorithm. After that, to storing the data by using the forensic technique, they have checked whether the authorized or unauthorized decryption processes happen. Group owner will allocate the space for the cloud member allocation and monitoring and reworking the member. Group members are create the membership, upload and download detail. Cloud server is used to data storage and data retrieval. By using applying the forensic technique, the monitoring overall status for both owner and member and intimate the cloud server department. It is password, hacker, time consumer and security hacking will be department. Using this technique, hacker will be fined easily. In data generation, hacker using forensic technique will be fine. It is a hacker and generating and providing fake files when duplicate password and key is given. It is the home page. Here too is members, group member manager and group member are be there. First, we want to register for the member details. After registering, Cloud ID registration has been done by requesting the file size allocation. After we can see the member file details. We want to go to the admin page. We want to give permission. If we not permission, you cannot use that. After you give permission, the cloud allocation is automatically generated. Then the member user will be going to upload the file. After selecting a file, it will show that we successfully record updated and digital signature created. To see that, go to the member page and select the profile picture. There we can see the page. After that, taking the signature and paste in the notepad and come to the again download field. Select the download field. Here the secret code and the signature will be generated. Copy in a notepad and open that. Now the original file will be open when original file is given. If you give a duplicate file, first time it will show as an incorrect key and signature. Second time also show it like only. Third time it will be open the duplicate file. In Wattpad it will be show as error and in Notepad side it will give a fake file. Conclusion: in a user it is able to share data with others in a group without revealing identity privacy. Mono supports efficient user revocation and new user will be joining. Efficient user revocation can be achieved through a public revocation list without updating the private keys of the remaining users, and the new users can directly decrypt files stored in the cloud before the participation. Moreover, the storage overhead and the encryption function extensions show that the scheme satisfies the desired security requirements and guarantees efficiency as well. Thank you.